Hey guys, Weather Expert here, bringing you guys another awesome video on the fourth video update on Tropical Storm Erika. This is actually maybe a 3.5 update number 4, and that's because concerning the flooding over Hispaniola, this could be historical, guys. I am not joking. This could be very bad, and I'll tell you why. You can see over the past few hours, a humongous burst of convection has blown over Hispaniola, and this could be producing tons and tons of rain over Haiti, Dominican Republic, over along the border, and this could be very dangerous. And I'm also seeing a lot of stuff on the microwave imagery that could be very interesting. But as you guys can see, it's been a lot more organized, and you might think that it's over with Hispaniola. That's a hurricane killer. Well, not in this situation. The upslope flow of the mountains actually enhances convection, and the center. The mid-level center, the low-level center is off a little bit toward the west, over by the tip, but the mid-level center is currently over to the lake, and I think that's what's fueling it from not getting disintegrated. But the thing is, if it lifts north of Cuba, guys, we could be in for a treat. But if it moves over Cuba and moves to the west, then it's not gonna be that bad. Just as simple as that, because the Bahamas have not bloodbath. Just kidding. Have a sauna. They have heat potential up so high, like one of the most heat potential places on the planet, and that thing can bomb out. But right now we have to see if the center makes it. But right now it's looking all right, I guess. But as we look at the National Hurricane Center cone, this is just a shorter video update. It's not 7 minutes or whatever. Oh, thanks, man. I'm getting some Twitter notifications, and I should be uploading this. It's 10:39 my time, and we are going to be looking at the latest track. This is 11 o'clock track, and you guys can see at the center, the level center is over at the tip, and they take it right over Cuba, and they parallel it, and that's what's really going to kill it, and they take it over here, may be strengthened back into a tropical storm, 45 miles per hour. Mostly it's just going to be rain for the Florida coast, and now they have Alabama in the cone. They have Georgia, South Carolina. They got all this stuff, and most of this will be a rainmaker. Really, wind's not a huge problem unless we get towards if it's a little bit more north. There's still a remote possibility that I'll go to the east of this, but it's very unlikely. But I want to take you guys to the microwave imagery. This is pretty interesting. Now, I think that the flooding in Dominican Republic, Haiti could be very bad. I mean, Dominica bad. Like when they got 12 inches in like I don't know how many hours, but you guys can see at the imagery right here. It's actually kind of laggy just because I'm recording, and it should get better because of how many. But you can see the mid-level center is that little donut hole right there. It's starting to move a little bit more of a northwest direction. It's heading towards the tip of Cuba. So this is following the National Hurricane Center's track pretty well, but the big question is it going to turn really sharply north? Because if it turns really sharply north, guys, if it goes into here, the shear is a lot less. It could deal with less shear, and a water sauna is just waiting for it. So big question mark there, but most likely it will probably go over Cuba. But I'm seeing that it's not really disintegrating the center yet. The mid-level center is remaining. Who knows? The mid-level center might take over because it's looking the strongest out of the low pressure circulation. But yeah, let's head back to the imagery. This is all really I have for right now, just because this is a short video update on Erica. Just giving you guys that there is some very dangerous flooding likely going Haiti, and this upslope flow on the mountains really just gives them a rain. It does disrupt the circulation, but at the same time, I'm getting pretty nervous. Look at this. It's just going slower. It's just stalling. It's really just giving them a ton of rain over here, especially right here. Look at this. This is just terrible. I'm seeing some I'm seeing some light reds, which is indicating a lot of cold tops. The center is likely over here. It's over under the deep convection probably. But the question mark is, will it go north of, will it pull Isaac and go, north? But Isaac came out of here. It kind of made a sandy track, but sandy went over the Cuba right here. So you guys, that's really gonna wrap it up for this short little video update. I should have this uploaded in probably about 10 minutes from making this video. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoy that. I'll be posting more if needed. Tomorrow I probably will. Of course I will, because I really don't have anything to do tomorrow. But yeah, guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace out, y'all.